Hello students, best wishes. Now I Ahsan sir going to explain exercise 1.4 NCERT of number system chapter 1. Let's start. Yes, question 1 is visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Question number 2. Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Question 1. 3.765 3 decimal places. So we have to successively magnify it 3 times. 3 times मैग्नीफाई करना पड़ेगा. अगर 3 टाइम्स मैग्नीफाई करेंगे तो आपको ये नंबर लाइन पे ये नंबर मिल जाएगा 3.765. नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. वी वांट टू लोकेट 3.765 ऑन द नंबर लाइन by the process of successive magnification. This process is successive magnification. Step 1. Locate 3.765 between 3 and 4. पहले इस नंबर को 3.765 को 3 और 4 के बीच में दिखा देंगे. Between 3 and 4 3.765 as 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, then comes 4. So our number lies between 3.6 and 3.7. Step 2. Now locate 3.765 between 3.7 and 3.8. अब इसी नंबर को 3.7 और 3.8 के बीच में लोकेट करेंगे. तो देखिए, here is 3.7, then 3.71. 3.7 is actually 3.70. 3.70, 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79 and 3.80. 3.80 is 3.8. तो हमारा नंबर कहाँ पे आएगा? 3.765 लाइज बिटवीन 3.76 एंड 3.77. इन दोनों नंबर के बीच में हमारा नंबर आ गया 3.765. 2 प्लेसेस क्लियर हो गई बेटा. नाउ स्टेप 3. नाउ लोकेट इट बिटवीन 3.76 and 3.77. 3.76 is actually 3.760 and 3.77 is 3.770. तो 760 और 770 के बीच में इसको फाइंड करेंगे. तो 3.76, 3.76, 3.77. तो 3.760 तो 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765. This is the required rational number. 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769, 3.77. In 3 steps of the process of successive magnification, we get the rational number required as 3.765. Now the question is complete. 4.26 bar, 4 places to decimal, 4 places to decimal. Visualizing up to 4 decimal places, we get 4.2626. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places to decimal means in 4 successive magnification we get the number required. So firstly 4.2626 lie between 4 and 5. Between 4 and 5. 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9. तो हमारा नंबर है 4.2626. तो इट विल लाई बिटवीन 4.2 एंड 4.3. देखिए 4.26, here 4.2, 4.3. Step 2. Now locate 4.2626 between 4.2 एंड 4.3, 1 डेसिमल प्लेस के बाद लोकेट करेंगे 4.2 एंड 4.3. तो 4.2 इज 4.20, 4.2 इज 4.20 एंड 4.3 इज 4.30. तो 4.20 तो 4.21, 4.22, 4.23. तो हमारा नंबर लाई कर रहा है 4.26 और 4.27 के बीच में. आवर नंबर इज लाइंग बिटवीन 4.26 एंड 4.27. Here somewhere our number is 4.2626. Okay. Step 3. Locate 4.2626 between 4.26 and 4.27. अब 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस तक लोकेट करेंगे इसको. तो 4.26 इज 4.260 मतलब 260. 4.27 इज 4.270. तो 26 260, 261, 262, 263, 264. So our number lies between 4.262 and 4.263. Somewhere here in between 4.262 and 4.263. Step 4. This is the final step. Now locating it between 4.262 and 4.263. So 4.262 is 4.2620 and 4.263 is 4.2630 as 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625. This is the required number. 4.2626. This is the required rational number. And 4.2627 and so on. So here is the number. It lies between 4.2625 and 4.2627, that is 4.2626. In 4 steps of successive magnification, we get the rational number required as 4.2626. Now again I am explaining the process of successive magnification. This process of visualization of representation of numbers on the number line. Remark: we can proceed endlessly by in this manner, successively viewing and simultaneously imagining the decrease in the length of the portion of the number line in which the number is located. Please like, share and subscribe my videos and support me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.